making traveling even more convenient. The grid solution safeguards each power transmission line using video technologies, strengthening the security and efficiency of electricity services. The Intelligent City solution promotes the effective management of urban areas with intelligent vision, improving livability and sustainability. The retail solution streamlines store operations by analyzing customer requirements, boosting data-driven businesses. The warehousing solution uses dedicated algorithms to detect smoke, fires, and intruders, ensuring warehouse security. The kindergarten solution allows parents to observe their children at school, strengthening communication between parents and teachers. Hallowitz brings intelligent vision products and video cloud services to complement the trend of industry digitalization. The ever-evolving software-defined camera revolutionizes the video industry, serving as eyes of the intelligent world. The intelligent video storage and computing platforms support concurrent running of multiple algorithms based on fast computing power. The Video Cloud service provides diverse cloud services such as security protection, business and production management, and digital operations for enterprises. Hallowitz is here with you. Explore further, dive deeper, dream bigger, and care more. Hallowitz, everything sensing for an intelligent world. Sense the ocean from a drop of water. Sense the stars from a beam of light. Sense the world from a grain of sand. To sense rather than just to see. Hello world. Hallowitz is here. An enabler helping us build a world where all things can sense, making work and life easier and smarter. Hallowitz is equipped with cutting-edge technologies and supports intelligent transformation of many industries. The campus solution improves enterprise and user services with digital operations, enhancing campus safety and efficiency. The transportation solution enriches travel experience with image technologies, making traveling even more convenient. The grid solution safeguards each power transmission line using video technologies, strengthening the security and efficiency of electricity services. The Intelligent City solution promotes the effective management of urban areas with intelligent vision, improving livability and sustainability. The retail solution streamlines store operations by analyzing customer requirements, boosting data-driven businesses. The warehousing solution uses dedicated algorithms to detect smoke, fires, and intruders, ensuring warehouse security. The kindergarten solution allows parents to observe their children at school, strengthening communication between parents and teachers. Hallowitz brings intelligent vision products and video cloud services to complement the trend of industry digitalization. The ever-evolving software-defined camera revolutionizes the video industry, serving as eyes of the intelligent world. The intelligent video storage and computing platforms support concurrent running of multiple algorithms based on fast computing power. The Video Cloud service provides diverse cloud services such as security protection. Sense the ocean from a drop of water. Sense the stars from a beam of light. Sense the world from a grain of sand. To sense rather than just to see. Hello world. Holowitz is here. An enabler helping us build a world where all things can sense, making work and life easier and smarter. Holowitz is equipped with cutting-edge technologies and supports intelligent transformation of many industries. The campus solution improves enterprise and user services with digital operations, enhancing campus safety and efficiency. The transportation solution enriches travel experience with image technologies, making traveling even more convenient. The grid solution safeguards each power transmission line using video technologies, strengthening the security and efficiency of electricity services. The Intelligent City solution promotes the effective management of urban areas with intelligent vision, improving livability and sustainability. The retail solution streamlines store operations by analyzing customer requirements, boosting data-driven businesses. The warehousing solution uses dedicated algorithms to detect smoke, fires, and intruders, ensuring warehouse security. The kindergarten solution allows parents to observe their children at school, strengthening communication between parents and teachers. Holowitz brings intelligent vision products and video cloud services to complement the trend of industry digitalization. The ever-evolving software-defined camera revolutionizes the video industry, serving as eyes of the intelligent world. The intelligent video storage and computing platforms support concurrent running of multiple algorithms based on fast computing power. The Video Cloud service provides diverse cloud services such as security protection, business and production management, and digital operations for enterprises. Holowitz is here with you. Explore further, dive deeper, dream bigger, and care more. Holowitz, everything sensing for an intelligent world.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Huawei Connect 2022. The keynote will begin now with an opening video. Please be seated. You can scan the QR code to download the event app to interact with us, watch live streams, and learn more about the event. Please silence your mobile devices. Thank you.
A campus is a basic unit of a city. a carrier of work and life, a key to economic development, and is the foundation for building a fully connected, intelligent world. Huawei uses new ICT, such as 5G, AI, IoT, big data, and cloud computing. Based on the strategy, a platform plus ecosystem uses the Huawei Horizon digital platform and teams up with ecosystem partners to build scenario-based solutions, facilitating customers' digital transformation. Intelligent Operations Center, visualizing campus status, controlling events, and managing services. Unified data classification and analysis, enabling GIS-based management. Displaying the real-time status of people, events, and objects on campus. Facilitating cross-department, cross-region, and cross-system coordination. Controlling the global situation for unified resource dispatch. Providing management plans through converged data analysis from passive response to proactive management. Supporting all-round control of the operational situation. Integrated security, changing the traditional mode of security operation, improving security protection efficiency, and ensuring security on campus. Precise identification of personnel and vehicles, blacklist alarms activated within seconds. Based on the automatic switching of patrol videos, one person can effectively manage multiple patrol sites. Video-based patrol and video linkage save police force by 40%. AI-based recognition of human figures, achieving precise intrusion detection. Compared with traditional detection methods, the false alarm rate is reduced by 90%. One-click command and scheduling through flexible plan development. Multi-system linkage significantly reduces the response time, achieves more effective emergency handling. Intelligent access control. Facial recognition gates replace guard posts for access within seconds. Unified access control service and simplified system deployment ensures 24/7 campus security. Facial recognition, turnstile, mobile, computer, and company bus clock in. Card swiping is no longer necessary. Intelligent attendance is realized. Full process self-service, providing a zero-wait visitor experience. Visitors can enter personal information and vehicle information online. The visitor route will be automatically generated. Vehicle information identification will enable instant access. Asset management, using IoT technologies to enable one-click asset stock taking. Real-time asset status awareness ensures asset security, activates idle assets, and reduce repeat purchases, increasing asset usage rate. Energy efficiency management, multi-system linkage and big data-driven, supporting secure operation of energy systems, precise prediction and power demand management, implementing accurate power usage and lowering power consumption by 10%. Facility management, performing proactive monitoring and warning for building facilities and devices, improving facility utilization rate and service life. If exceptions occur, the IOC generates an automatic alarm, visualized device position, and a service ticket is dispatched to the nearest personnel, improving operation efficiency. Environmental space management, managing and controlling both campus resources and its spatial use, improving the utilization rate of physical space, promoting the sharing and value-adding of environmental resources through the Service app. Campus services and resources are visualized, providing services anytime and anywhere. Efficient office. Intelligent conference rooms integrate office functions such as video conferencing, remote collaboration, interactive whiteboard use, and wireless projection. Optimizing physical space through simplification. Constructing a digital office for more efficient communication and collaboration. WeLink, one-stop collaboration platform, converging messages, emails, conferences, and videos. enabling internal and external collaboration, interconnecting personnel, knowledge, services, and devices, single role operation, team collaboration, and cross-region cooperation, improving overall office efficiency by 30%. Huawei Intelligent Campus Solution, helping customers achieve overall intelligence in their campuses, enabling agile innovation of service applications, improving overall campus operations efficiency, simplifying user experience, ubiquitous connections, pervasive intelligence, bringing infinite possibilities to campus service innovation. Bringing digital to every campus for pervasive intelligence.
Session of Huawei Connect 2022. My name is Rima Skandarani, and I have the pleasure of being your host for this session. The theme of this keynote is Redefine Intelligent Campus with ICT. And we have with us here today thought leaders, we have technology experts, and ecosystem partners so that we can discuss how to integrate Intelligent Campus with this scenario. Please join me in welcoming for our opening speech, Mr. Bob Chen, Vice President of Huawei BG, for today's welcome opening session titled Technology Empowers Campuses. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Huawei, thank you for participating in this Redefine Intelligent Campus with ICT session in the beautiful Dubai. I would like to take this opportunity to share a few thoughts. First, new ICT brings new opportunities for intelligent campuses. Since the 21st century, new ICT technologies has been developed rapidly. The blend of the new ICT and the industry knowledge has released new potential for intelligent protection and enabling all scenario intelligence in campuses. Second, technology redefines and empowers campuses. Campus subsystems are usually isolated from each other. There are about 200,000 Huawei employees in more than 1,000 offices in 117 countries. So we often face challenges in network access and office experience and OM. To counter, we're building 8 network circles around the world with a latency of less than 100 milliseconds, supporting 2.8 million emails and 80,000 high-quality video conferences every day. This way, we have achieved one world, one office. Huawei proposed to redefine intelligent campus with ICT. For office, conference, and production scenario in enterprises, and industry room and manufacturing campuses. We provide solutions such as simplified office network, intelligent office conference, and converged production network. This have produced good social and economy results. the digital deployment of the campuses. Third, Huawei worked with our partners to create value for customers. Intelligent campus is a typical ecosystem-based industries. With Huawei's capability and best practice in 5G, cloud computing, big data, AI, IoT, and software development, we work with the ecosystem partners to provide innovative solutions to enable digital transformation in various industries. Huawei looks forward to working with the customers and partners to seize new opportunities and create a bright future together. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chen, for this wonderful opening speech. The campus is the carrier of work and life, and so the information technology will provide the campus with new vitality. Now let's welcome Mr. Muhammad J. Seer, leader of digital government and public sector at Ernst & Young, to share his speech titled Development Trend of Intelligent Campus.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you for being here. I know that, like me, you probably have enjoyed a really lovely lunch. So thank you very much, Huawei, for inviting us to lunch. I walk on to the stage with a mobile in my hand for two reasons. Number one, my memory is a bit weak, so I need some notes. But more importantly, because this has become our life. And this is at the center of the intelligent campus as well. If we think about where we stand today and what is happening around us, we have become a country, a nation, a world that is embedded by the word digital. We are living in a digital age. And one housekeeping, I need the clicker. If someone can please provide me with that. So in the digital age, what does that mean? It means our world, thank you, our world is being disrupted, changed. The way we live, the way we work, the way we play, all of that is changing. You can think of this from a positive perspective, you can think of this as a challenge perspective, but definitely it is giving us an amazing opportunity to use the technologies and the business models that have evolved in the digital age to redefine, reimagine how we live, work, and play. And the intelligent campus is no different. It's putting at the center of itself the user and how we can design an experience around the user. And secondly, it is giving us an opportunity to look at contributing towards bringing greenhouse gases down and many other benefits when it comes to ownership and operating. So let me start by talking about four things very quickly. I've been given 10 minutes to really rush through and share some thoughts. And I've structured them into these four areas. And hopefully I'll leave behind with you some snippets of information that could be useful, valuable. So I'm going to talk a little bit about some trends. I'll talk about the actual framework that when we talk about intelligent campuses, what do we actually mean by that? And then I'll take a couple of case studies to bring that to life and end with some key considerations that we should keep in mind whilst we are going on this journey towards building smart, intelligent campuses. The first one I want to just share with some trends. What is driving us to think about intelligent campuses? I'm sure others will think of many other drivers, but I picked these 6. Sustainability for me is at the top. 30% of greenhouse emission gases are because of buildings. And it's consuming something like 70% of our energy. That is huge. And as you'll see through as we go today, intelligent campuses will play a role in impacting these things towards the downward trajectory. Number 2 is efficiency. IoT adoption, for example, in buildings can bring down by 12% some of the cost that it takes for scheduling of maintenance. It can look at 30% reduction in terms of the cost itself. When we look at the people which are at the heart of the campus itself, who it's there to serve, the users, then we're talking about something like 15% increase in productivity of employees. We're talking about 15% reduction in absentees. When we look at this smart workplace, 40% of employees spend something like 30 minutes a day finding or looking for rooms. 60% of these rooms are actually unoccupied, and 25% of meetings are no-shows. And if you think from an owner perspective of these buildings, the actual utilization of this asset is impacted big time because of these figures that we see. The other big challenge which is driving a thought process around intelligent campuses is the fact that many of our buildings are aging and they need to be uplifted towards today's standard and be habitable. And finally, in terms of building certifications, to be able to, as an owner, allow for the building to still be occupied requires ESG certifications. And intelligent systems that we have allows us to get to that point where we can get the certifications. And finally, at the last, I keep this not as a driver, but as a food for thought and a reminder that the more we become connected, the more we become vulnerable to attacks. So when we are thinking about our journey towards smart campuses, we should ensure that from the beginning, we have kept in mind the security elements of things and data, because these two things are going to be abundantly created. If we look at a trend, so many of you may say, well, you know, why should I even be bothered about this? The reason you should be bothered because the trend is upwards. We've already seen something like a 8.3 CAGR increase from 2022, we're expecting by 2027 in terms of investment in this space. In the Middle East and Turkey alone, we are talking about something like $228 billion being invested in ICT-related transformation. Not everything is about an intelligent campus, but a huge proportion is going to be in that direction as well. In terms of what does this mean? Quite a complex slide, but I will simplify. At the basic of any smart, intelligent campus is going to be the building's service infrastructure, the connectivity and communication, the power and energy, the information management, the processes that allow for everything to work, the operations. In many cases, autonomous vehicles may be on the premises, or other elements could be autonomous. And automation is going to be a big part of that. Around all of this, we look at it from a perspective of innovation and service enablement. So in essence, what we are looking to do is shift from thinking of buildings as pieces of concrete towards services that are providing service to its consumers, its users, who live, work, and play. Data is at the core of this framework. The information that is generated, the information that is shared, the information that is used by all of us to operate buildings much more efficiently and effectively. So if you think about the three personas typically that are involved in a building, the owner, the operator, and the user, we are looking at uplifting quality of experience. We're looking at productivity, safety, security, health and wellness, resiliency, and sustainability and mobility. So that means going from the siloed way in which we have been running our campuses to an integrated, homogeneous model of operating our buildings. And that's why using the term intelligence becomes absolutely important, because it's going from it looking independently to connecting everything together and creating a better whole. Whether it's about security, whether it's about water supply, whether it's about the elevators, alarm systems, communication, etc. In terms of where we stand today, it means we are at the stage where intelligent campuses have become the need of the hour. The current campus networks actually lack agility, especially to support use cases that you and I are looking to get benefits from in terms of the buildings, how to improve the experience. If you look at smart lighting, climate control, security systems, environment monitoring, telecom systems, all of these in the old system are sitting in silos. This leads to a multi-complex situation. We have complexity of network design and development. We have challenges in network operations and maintenance. And we have strained bandwidth. Connectivity, as I said in the beginning, this is what we are using today. How many of us are frustrated when we get into our buildings and we are not able to communicate efficiently using our devices? So this means we need to move to a situation where we create convergence, multi-purpose, plug-and-play, simplified networks, energy efficient, cost efficient, and easy to manage. Intelligence-based buildings. I'm not going to spend too much time over here, but this is just to give a sense of, there are about 27 different systems and applications that are today being explored. And they are different stages of their maturity. Some are still at trial stages. Some of them are established. Others are in the implementation stage. And if I look at some of them, for example, we're talking about health and wellness related, energy saving related, carbon footprint reduction related, increasing occupancy comfort. They are all having potential to be scaled. Only time will tell which ones will scale and become mainstream. But it gives us an indication that AI and IoT are going to be the heart of many of these systems and applications that we are going to explore. Two case studies very quickly. I won't spend too much time on this, constraints with time. One is about a whole, you can say, grid system, a power grid organization that has looked at both the applications, the center, and the platform side of things, and the infrastructure. So they've created a single center to control completely everything from their security, their warehousing, the smart canteen, their offices, etc. And if I zoom into a couple of these, so smart housing, for example, we're talking about ability to make quick decisions because of the investment made over there. Faster response time. If we look at smart canteen, increased work efficiency and better employee satisfaction. And if we look at smart office, automation is creating smooth flow of data and businesses and eliminating tedious tasks. Another example is that of Birmingham University. Their objectives for when they were looking at this were around these four things. How can we transform from just surviving to actually thriving, living and enjoying the campus in a different way? To deliver greater work space efficiency. So that was, the efficiency part was a big driver for them as well. Improve sustainability of the environment, so they were keen to look at reduction of carbon footprint and deliver on enhanced experience. And what they did was they created around 3 themes of digital transformation, flexible and responsive spaces, and new ways of working. These 4 areas, so sustainability, how can they look at campus management, energy management, smart travel, smart waste management, around the theme of the next normal, how can they look at contactless environment, campus analytics, agile working, security in emergency, online community. And then around the experience, personalized route finding, and many other things, and same one from the efficiency perspective. And they brought all of this into the mobile, which I walked onto the stage with. So as a student, or as a teacher, or anyone who is actually managing those facilities is able to control their own experience. And finally, just to leave some key challenges to keep in mind, vendor consortium partnering, the supply side is important. How do you bring all of these different vendors together? The work stream integration, the management of stakeholder impact on deployment, looking at the change management of the team. And this requires a centralized governance, comprehensive escalation matrix, a shift-left approach, and an end-to-end requirement from traceability management perspective. And finally, just to say that this doesn't all have to happen in one go. You can go on a journey. You can start with just moving from legacy campus to connected, and then move towards an intelligent campus. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sear, for this eye-opening session. Huawei builds a campus product portfolio solution that helps governments and enterprises with digital transformation. But what measures has Huawei taken? And what value has Huawei created for its customers? And with that, please join me in welcoming our next speaker, Mr. Weige Liu, Director of Intelligent Campus Solutions Sales at Huawei Enterprise BG, to deliver his speech titled Redefine Intelligent Campus with ICT.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Weige from Huawei Enterprise BG. I'm glad to have this opportunity to introduce Huawei Intelligent Campus solution and share the cases that how we redefine intelligent campus with ICT. Our society has entered intelligent world. The development of the intelligent world is rapidly changing the life and work for everyone. Campuses are important entrance and carriers of the intelligent world. There are many kinds of campuses like offices, factories, hotels, and schools, and so on. A campus can be a single building, or a cluster of mansions, or a township. 90% of the city residents, they work and live in campuses, and this is also where they spend 90% of the time. 80% of the GDP were created in campuses, while meantime, 33% of all the high-tech zones, now they're going to the way of building intelligent campuses. However, campuses are facing several challenging tasks. There are many IT systems and also low-voltage subsystems. The current construction of campus is struggling to keep up the development of the technology together with the trend. Well, meantime, the campus operators they wish to improve the management efficiency. The campus owners, they expect to reduce the cost and energy consumption. For the users and visitors of the campus, the convenience is the top concern. ICT drives the campus digitalization and redefines the intelligent campus. Huawei leverages its full range of ICT products and technologies, such as cloud computing, big data, 5G, AI, IoT, network convergence, and simplified O&M, just to build the industry's only campus ICT architecture. Take a look. It contains 3 layers: the terminal layer, the campus terminal, the connectivity layer, and the service layer. Huawei uses different terminals, such as the Idea Hub for the meeting panel, for the Wi-Fi access points, and also some of the cameras to collect data and also to protect security, offering abundant of touch points in the campus. In the connectivity layer, Huawei leverages IT and optical synergy to enable us to deploy a simplified network architecture for office purpose or maybe for the industry purpose. For the service applications, we reshape the campus security through AI to achieve efficient collaboration in the office meeting through the Idea Hub. And also, the isolated subsystems can be integrated based on the Intelligent Operations Center to improve the general operation efficiency. As a result, the overall operation efficiency can be raised by 30%. The overall energy consumption can be reduced by 15%, and the user satisfaction can be improved by 60%. With our digitalized architecture, we hope that to bring the real benefits to our customers and partners, which is give them a more efficient, a greener, and more convenient intelligent campus. Talk about efficiency. We redefine the campus spaces by digitalizing the physical world so that all the physical objects can be visualized, can be sensed, and also can be managed. Redefine the campus space for resource convergence include 3 steps. 1, all the resources that convergence of multi-system in a single campus. Secondly, the resource convergence of multi-business in multi-campuses. This we're talking about different hotels, different offices, and different healthcare facilities, etc. Finally, the integration of the campus and the external social resources so that all the elements of the physical spaces are mapped into a digital world. Talking about efficiency improvement, it can be also attributed to the deployment of IOC, the Intelligent Operations Center. Working as a brain of campus, IOC make the campus visualized, manageable, and controllable. It gives the visualized status. All the data from different subsystems will be classified, analyzed, and also being presented graphically in the GIS, so that the campus operating staff can get to know the real-time status of the campus, no matter where he is, no matter when it is. And controllable events. Since all the subsystems are being interconnected, cross-function, cross-regional, and also collaborating becomes reliable. And this will lead an easy handling of overall campus situations, schedule the resources in a unified way, and provide a quick response to the incidents or any emergencies. Manageable businesses. How do we manage the business? Through the analysis of convergent data throughout different systems, IOC will have to generate the contingent plans to active management instead of passive response, so that making the whole campus operation under a precise schedule. Safety is the top priority of campus operations, so that Huawei offers the all-scenario security for the whole campus. It monitors the perimeter and also the outdoors and indoor territories of the entire campus, reports the security status of campus on real time and deal with the incident rapidly through the system synergy between these video cameras and other systems, so that it will be more safety for the campus by overall means. Network. Huawei provides the IP plus passive optical line converged network, so that compared to the traditional network solution, this flattened two-layer solution saves equipment rooms, saves spaces up to 80%. In the meantime, the optical fibers with long-distance transportation will replace the traditional network cables, which have a limitation of covering only 100 meters transportation. This results 70% of fewer network cables. Third, one cable for multi-services. That multi-service can be buried on this cable, and convergent network provide on-demand expansion, elastic bandwidth upgrade, which help to protect the network investment and saves more energy consumption. Besides the network, the energy saving for campus facility covers more aspects in the campus operation. One difficulty in optimized energy is that the consumption to be adjusted on the load of facilities based on the real-time requirements. But how do we know the requirement on the real time, and how do we meet the changing requirements? In short, the answer is, we say, the data collection, the energy efficiency analysis, and consumption prediction, or say it's an algorithm-based energy saving. These three steps will lead an optimal energy efficiency, and up to 15% of energy consumption will be reduced, according to Huawei, our own campus practices back in China. Convenience. We can bring convenience through many services, different services, and let me just take Intelligent Office, for instance. Our meeting panel Idea Hub as a key, it has several models and can provide an ultra-high definition video capability which may adapt in different conference room size, in different scenarios, like the manager's office, the open areas, the large conference room, or the small conference room. They will fit with different size and different configurations. Well, during the meeting, the users, the content can be shared via the wireless projection and also video conference system, and the users may also use the digital whiteboard to exchange the ideas, to exchange the minds by simultaneously writing on it, and eventually to save the information and forward the content via email to all the participants in the meeting just for one click. So that one is simple. In addition, the Idea Hub can also coordinate with our network devices like our access points for the better bandwidth and also forwarding the priority to the meeting experience. An intelligent operating and management platform can also be provided to ensure the efficiency and to ensure the quality of the meeting. Convenient access is another very important way to provide convenience in the campuses. The intelligent campus visitors management system can support the online registration for the entry and exit, so that it will quickly record the detailed visitors information, then authorize both the personnel or the vehicle to access, make it zero waiting experience. Well, other than that, it can also support online parking reservation for visitors, so that it will be shortening the on-site processing time, reducing the queuing, and deliver a better user experience. I would like to share two cases that is already being done. One is Huawei's own Intelligent Campus. Huawei, we have approximately 195,000 employees, and we operate in over 170 countries and regions. We're serving more than 3 billion people around the world. For our own campus globally, certain expectations were set when we started to build our own Intelligent Campus back in 2017, which is around 4 or 5 years ago. One, we are trying to we improve the security level. We have many security systems in the campus. However, the security operations are mainly human intensive and not that efficient. Two, we are going to improve the user experience by increasing self-on-demand services wherever possible. Three, break down data to achieve a better operation and maintenance and better visibility on the operation cost, such as energy management or facility health management. So with this in mind, we started the project back in 2017, and we built up the system, and we started to run it in our different campus and different spaces all around the world. As of today, we have built intelligent campuses in many Huawei locations in a big range. Having tested and practiced the Huawei Intelligent Campus, now it's more secure, and now it's also more controllable. The employees will get a simplified experience by the services, and the owners and the operators will have a lower operating cost, and meantime, the operation excellency is achieved. The second one, I would like to bring the local one in the UAE, which is the Al Fusan International Sports Resort, which is one of the best resource campus here. Huawei provide a new ICT infrastructure of networking, the software-defined cameras with the backend system, and work together with our trusted partners. With our trusted partner to build a unified campus application platform. As a result, the event management efficiency improved by 20%. The vehicle and personal access speed increased by 65%, and the power consumption reduced by 15% for the ICT infrastructures, which is significantly reduced the cost and raised the experience and efficiency. That is for all that I shared today. Thank you very much for your listening. Bring digital world to each and every campus is our vision. We sincerely invite you all to join us and make a brilliant, intelligent world. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Liu, for this excellent speech. With the campus product portfolio solution, Huawei will deliver a more convenient experience and efficient management to the customer. Now, please join me in welcoming our next speaker, Mr. Mohammed Salah, Vice President of Talat Mustafa Group, who will talk about how Huawei Intelligent Campus Solutions has helped TMG build intelligent campus network to unleash productivity.
Thank you everyone for joining us today. I'm going to present Madinati as a use case in Smart City Campus. Let me first introduce you to our city. Our city is 33 million square meter, and it has 13 million of landscape, 13 million square meter of landscape. And for the security, we have 20,000 plus camera. We have 1 million plus water sprinkle. We have 35,000 lighting poles. We have 10 petabyte data storage. And we have more than 25,000 water valve. To be able to operate a city and this volume of sensors within our city is very challenging in terms of cost, time, and efforts. This is what drives us into implementing the technology and depending on the smart city technologies. Our vision within TMG is to bring sustainable and environmental conscious strategies into our cities by creating new generation of smart and green communities that put people in the center of its core. The journey starts with Huawei in 2019, and our main focus was to put the right foundation within our city, to build the right infrastructure, that will help us building a modular and a scalable project to accommodate all the smart services that we know by this time and that technologies that will come in the future. So by 2019, we implemented the fiber optics technology based on Huawei JPON network. Then starting 2020, we start provisioning the systems. Provisioning the system for our use cases was independent. Then in 2021, we started to make the integration between these systems in order to reach an AI unified platform that connect all systems together and generate the data that we can use to have a knowledge and create an action. I think from all the presentation that was before me, you heard a lot about the technology layers and how you implement it and the benefit behind it. So I will focus on 4 of our use cases and tell you exactly the experience that we gain from these use cases, so it can help you in implementing your projects. In Safe City, for example, we managed to reduce our security staff by more than 40% by using cameras, intelligent sensors for access control and everything, connecting all of this to intelligent surveillance platform. We get it from Huawei also. And of course, the network connectivity and the storage. The Safe City helped the security operation to be more efficient, reduced the number of guards, and provide convenience to our customer. For the smart lighting and smart irrigation, we managed also to reduce our water consumption by more than 50% by using sensors and panels connected to network connectivity and having the intelligent platform in place. Also, with the smart waste management, we put in place sensors, solar panels to make it more efficient, connectivity layer, and intelligent platforms as well. For the smart transportation, we are using surveillance system, network connectivity, and smart ticketing system. This type of use cases, you need first to implement independently. It will be very, very difficult if you start from the beginning to reach the end of your game of having a unified platform. Because in each domain, you will find some experts focusing on this domain with a real business know-how will help you to deliver the outcomes you plan for. Then the integration layer will come later on. But it's very important when you select the partner that you are working with, that you have the plan from the beginning, that you selecting the right partners, opening for the integration, having the capability to do the integration on later stage, then start implementing each vertical on its own, while it will be enabled for the integration in later stages. This is how we done it in TMG, and now our city is more than 60% completed with the number of sensors and the volume that I explained in the beginning. I will show you a real footage from our city now. Thank you very much. And I would like to invite you all sometime to visit our city when you come to Cairo in Egypt. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mohammed. Connectivity is a crucial part in innovative digital infrastructure. And now as we move on, please join me in welcoming our next speaker, Mr. Salim Ahmed Sheikh, Managing Director of Magnus, who will be giving us a speech titled Holowitz Inclusive AI Builds Intelligent Campus Security.
Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Salim Ahmed, I'm the Managing Director for Magnus. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. We realize being GITEC's busy schedules for everyone, but really want to thank you on this. Today, I'm here to present smart campus solutions provided by Holowitz. Holowitz, as a name, might sound new to some of you, but when I say it is a partner, it's a global partner, strategic partner with Huawei, then the name and the game changes. Holowitz is a Singapore-based company. Holowitz is committed to developing AI-enabled software-defined cameras. We call them SDCs, intelligent video storage, computing platforms, as well as cloud services. What's more, Holowitz provides AI capabilities. You can create more for your partners and customers. We aim to work together to build an intelligent world with all things sensing. This is what Holowitz believes in, and that's what the tagline is. Magnus is an authorized distributor, an exclusive national distributor for Holowitz, and we are very proud and excited about this journey. We have, as Magnus, we have various different products from networking to storage to surveillance, industry-leading products in our portfolio, wherein we cater not only in the UAE, but also in the region. We have partners across the region, wherein we participate with multiple projects with different products that we carry in our portfolio. Magnus joining hands with Holowitz, it's a team that we would want to cater to our partners and projects here and accelerate digital transformation by giving values and ecosystem partners in the UAE. Generally, when we talk of campuses, there are three major challenges that any campus solution would face. One is low efficiency, poor experience, higher cost. When we talk of low efficiency, the general example would be a fire response time. It's around an average 7.5 minutes now. If we are able to reduce some time out of this, it could be literally life-saving. So Holowitz solutions actually do this. When the solutions that you're going to see in the next slides reduce response time when it is about a fire case scenario. Poor experience. For example, the data in the vehicle access control system is not linked to the other systems, making it chaotic at the exits and making it delays and an experience people would not want to have. Higher cost. To manage this or to overcome these challenges, you have more than required manpower. So that is where costs come into play. The solutions that Holowitz is going to provide will take care of all these aspects. Now we talk of solutions. Holowitz uses, as I said, SDCs, known as, they provide intelligent video campus security solution. In general, we call this security in a 3-circle, including the outer circle, the middle circle, and the inner circle. With inclusive AI ability, we help our customers transfer from traditional security protection to intelligent management. Ladies and gentlemen, all of you will agree that today cameras do not need to be only cameras, where they capture image and videos and pass it on. They need to have computing powers. They need to be intelligent so that they can cater to the ever-growing demands of what's happening in the world today. Based on these solutions, Holowitz provides 3 main benefits to enterprise campuses: the front-end AI, the collaborative AI, and the open AI. When we talk of the front-end AI, the cameras themselves are embedded with the technologies which will move you from daily security from manual to the intelligent. So, of course, you can have them done with other algorithms as well, but they are themselves having the capabilities to working from manual to intelligent. Collaborative AI. Based on collaboration between video and IoT systems, the efficiency of emergency handling and user experience are generally enhanced. Open AI. This is the most important one, ladies and gentlemen. You can load third-party algorithms the way you feel is as per your requirement. So this is the difference, I believe, between Holowitz cameras, Holowitz products, and the other players in the market. Parking violation management. Now, this can be another big pain for campuses around the globe, more so in this region. So Holowitz SDCs can automatically detect vehicles that park in restricted areas, and they can have a voice warning sort of a thing, when it says, do not park here, please drive your vehicle away. These functions generally reduce manpower usage, reduce cost, and also makes it much more easier for the entire campus management. Video-based perimeter detection. Currently, the traditional cameras have always been, rudimentary, because of the rudimentary style of functioning. They've been vulnerable to interferences from leaves, small animals, rain, fog, and resulting in very high positive rates. And it wastes a lot of labor and time to be able to correct those, or to identify, or to be able to double check. Holowitz AI cameras embedded with deep learning algorithms, as I mentioned earlier, to minimize interferences, the same interference that I'm talking about, small animals, rain, snow, backlight, and they effectively do this job to an extent that the false negative rate is lower than 2%. Now, just imagine a scenario wherein the false rate comes down lower than 2%, so the cost saving that you can have on manpower. Now, this is very important, ladies and gentlemen. It's not only about cost saving, this is about saving lives, because we are talking about security firefighting linkages. In traditional solutions, the sensors can only respond to medium or large fires. Secondly, the sensors cannot send images or videos. The fire exit door, the most tragic part would be the fire exit doors are not linked to the access control system. So Holowitz solution, the entire solution, provides video and fire smoke detection collaboration. The AI cameras can detect even very small fires. So the fires can be, doused at a very early stage, as we call it, nipping it in the bud. Thereby, and alarms can be sent to the concerned departments. And unfortunately, if the fire becomes bigger, the alarms can be sent to the control center immediately, and collaboration between firefighting, video, and access control systems will be integrated. Now, this will help in evacuation of people in a timely manner. In a scenario, firefighting scenario, every single minute saved is like every life saved. So this is where the solution comes into play. Vehicle access control. Again, another big pain for people managing campuses and parking areas. The SDCs first detect and recognize the vehicle information, and then send the vehicle information to the integrated management control. The camera can work together with the gate barrier to allow access only to authorized vehicles, as you can see in the videos here. Now, this is very important one. Open AI to create an ecosystem. It is not monopolized. It's an open AI platform wherein our global partners provide a variety of excellent third-party algorithms and applications that can run on Holowitz SDCs and intelligent edge devices. Here is a good example from one of our partners in Brazil, Invent Vision. It's an AI technology company. They have developed a series of applications, including helmet detection, reflective vest detection, glasses detection, gloves detection. These technologies can help to protect the workers, especially in a construction field, and thereby contribute to creating a more human-centric campus. Besides, as I said, the most important aspect, Holowitz can provide more algorithms and applications if you need. At the same time, you can develop your own algorithms to go as per your needs and requirements. Let us look at the products and solutions a little more closely, as Holowitz provides a full series of products and solutions for different scenarios. From the camera side, if you talk about, on the device side, we have the X, M, C, D, E, and A series of cameras, which fit into different situations, different scenarios, and requirements. On the edge side, we have micro-edge devices, including the IVS 1800 with compact intelligence and NVR 800 with streamlined intelligence. Now, on the cloud side, we provide global access, including the Middle East, Asia Pacific, Africa, and Latin America. Perimeter detection AI camera. This is our AI camera, which is specifically dedicated for perimeter management. It is based on deep learning. The initial, when I spoke about false positives, this is where this camera comes into the picture. First of all, the resolution of the detection is improved to 24 into 24 pixels, and the detection range is 30 meters, up to 30 meters. Secondly, the model analysis can help filter out various unnecessary objects such as shadows, leaf, small animals to reduce false positives. These continuous upgrades on the SDCs, they achieve a comprehensive detection rate of greater than 98% and a comprehensive false positive rate of less than 2%, because it's all AI-powered perimeter detection. Now, this particular camera, ladies and gentlemen, we believe is going to be a game changer of sorts in its category. Holowitz full-color AI PTZ dome camera. As shown here, it provides marvelous full-color clear imaging under even low lights. The videos that you see, the video that you're seeing at the bottom, that's in pitch dark, the same as you're seeing at the top, taken by mobile camera. So you can see the difference. It's quite visible what it is able to do. AI, in fact, we use AI to enhance image quality and result in no light pollution. This soaring capability is definitely thanks to two exclusive components, the Ultra Edge DOF iris and Ultra Sensitive Super Sensor. The RGBW sensor, this is a breakthrough for the whole industry. The earlier, last 40 years, we have been using RGB. So RGBW improves the light sensitivity by 75%. Achieving full color reproduction with no color cast. With the combination of 6-axis gyroscope and AI-powered stabilization algorithms, the image stability has been improved by 80%. Besides this, the new PTZ camera comes with the industry first, you heard it right, guys, industry first air blower to clean the glasses instead of using traditional physical wipers. As we said in the beginning, that is not only about the high-end cameras that we spoke about. Holowitz is dedicated to bring AI to every enterprise and every campus, we have SIU series and LIV series, which is affordable yet powerful. It contains 1 TOPS of computing power. It supports multi-algorithm switchover, including vehicle recognition, object classification, and so on. Moreover, third-party algorithms are also supported on these cameras. This is the biggest difference between Holowitz and the other players in the market. Finally, I would like to, as I began with, that cameras no longer need to be only cameras and giving images. They need to think on their own. They need to have a brain of their own. That is where Holowitz come into the picture. And I would like to end this speech by their tagline, which says, "Everything sensing for an intelligent world." Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Salim, for this extremely interesting session. Now, please join me in welcoming our next speaker, who is the President of Global Business of Chinasoft International, Mr. Simon Chung. And he is going to be sharing with us how Chinasoft has worked with Huawei to promote the digital transformation of enterprises. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, I'd like to share some of our experience that we have been working with Huawei for the past couple of years in the ICT and also in the smart campus solutions. Okay. Okay, so this is some of the experience that we have been working so far with Huawei together in China and also overseas in Asia-Pac and in Middle East. So you can see that we have teamed up with Huawei together to work on those stadium convention center and also the smart hospital, smart education, industrial park as well, and also the smart building initiative. So our IOC solution, together with the network and the infrastructure from Huawei, that we provide strong integration service, intelligent data analysis, efficient system linkage for all the subsystems together. And of course, you know, those systems are also linked up with Huawei 5G and powered by Huawei Cloud Integration Platform. And you can see that the cost-effective and established in the new smart industrial icon, that our system is fully integrated with digital twins, full dimension integration, centralized dashboard. And in terms of the costing, you can see that according to our experience for our dozen of projects that we have implemented so far, that the security labor cost is reduced 30%, linkage capacity increased 60%, energy consumer 20%, security capability 25%, emergency response down to 5.5 minutes, and access efficiency increased 20%. And among those smart campus, we also implement a lot of sport park and smart stadiums accordingly to enhance the operations security capability, improve decision-making efficiency, build audience portrait for accurate marketing, optimize visitor experience and user experience. So this is one of the high-level architecture that we are working very closely with Huawei together. And you can see that the top-level layer that we are using the is a southbound system on the apps, WeLink, Echo application, and Portal. So that would be all consolidated into our IOC system. In terms of the platform service that we are using Huawei, Dayu, Roma, and also IoT connectivity. In terms of the network that we are also using Huawei 5G, cloud, Wi-Fi, and internet. And we build a ecosystem for our IoT consortium. The consortium that we have linked up with Huawei and also our Huawei partners together, and local partner or even global partner, to build a consortium together on some of those mega projects. So I would like to share some of the case study that we have so far implemented with Huawei together. This is only a few cases. We have done a few dozen of them in China and also in APAC and Middle East. So this is one of the cases that we have implemented with Huawei together in Middle East in the smart building campus area. So majority of our IOC consolidation on all these interface to the smart surveillance, smart parking, asset management, facility management, and also environmental situation, energy saving, and employment, and 3G monitoring. So those are some of the key features that we have implemented for this Middle East Intelligent Campus. So in terms of that, in China, that we have also implemented one of the very big Olympic parks in Xi'an. So it consists of more than 3 different big stadiums. And so that one is, we are more focused on the events, scheduling, event marketing, and also the event security, and etc. So to benefit the whole ecosystem for the entire Olympic Stadium in Xi'an. Another case that we have Then so far, this is quite a mega project, which is the old Kaidak Airport. So the old Kaidak Airport will turn into the most innovative leisure park in the future. So that due to be open in 2023, 1st of July next year. And so we are in the phase 2 implementation with Huawei together. That consists of consolidate more than 23 different IoT devices, plus more than a dozen of portal subsystem and also the apps. So this is quite a complex project that we have so far moved along together with Huawei and also our local partner in Hong Kong. Yeah. And I think the major of the project is we implement the PSIM on the smart security and the smart operation, smart decision making process, and also the smart stadium park e-ticketing systems. So why China Soft? Because China Soft have been a long-term, 15 years partner with Huawei together along the way, and we start the digital transformation together with Huawei in 2012 in the cloud era, and also we have penetrated with Huawei technology on the R&D area for more than 15 years. So we always, move along with Huawei together on those digital transformation area. And so we are committed to become the world-leading net zero carbon emission partner for government and enterprise. And we will continue to provide high-quality digital solution and IT service for global government and enterprise customers. So you can see that we have implemented a lot of major big projects together with Huawei and rely on Huawei platform and technology to realize, to become one of the biggest system integrator and developer for our Huawei partners. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chung. Now, please join me in welcoming Mr. Alex Wong, Director of Integrated Solutions Sales from Huawei Middle East Enterprise BG, and who will share with us how Huawei worked with partners to light up the road to Intelligent Campus.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to Dubai and welcome to our Intelligent Campus session. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you all of our customers and partners. It's my pleasure to launch Huawei Intelligent Campus solutions with you. Let's light up the road for the future. First of all, we are clearly see that campuses are rapidly developing toward digitalization and intelligence. Building convenient, efficient, and green intelligence campus is a basic requirement. Nobody wants old style. Everybody wants intelligent campus. This one helps us create a very big marketing space. Nearly 2026, this market space is nearly 100 billion. In this space, we feeling this large space, we live together, and such large marketing space also need a rich ecosystems. For this massive marketing, Huawei focus on ICT infrastructures and cooperation with our partners to provide overview solutions, which one have 3 levels. have campus terminals, campus connectivities, and campus servers. For every level, you can find we have many partners. Firstly, we work with our consulting partners. They are very important. They will help us do the strategy design. They will help us do the use case design. So you know this. They are very good for this part. After this, we will work with many solution partners, hardware or software partners. They will help us. They will help us to implement the whole architectures and implement the whole systems. After this, we will work with our sales and system integrators. They will help customer. They will build a bridge with customer and Huawei. We will finish the whole project. Partner also use Huawei's. For this one, Huawei has dedicated partners managers. Huawei has so many partners how we can work together. In fact, Huawei has built an open, agile, and connected ecosystems platform for all the partners. In this platform plus ecosystem program, partners can quickly involve the one-step ICT technology support. Each partner can do his best distance, and Huawei will do our best distance. After 1 plus 1 is bigger than 2. And after this, we will give many digital services to the customers. And after our partner join, this is not a match. Okay. After our partner join Huawei's ecosystems, here I have 4 types of support from for our partners. Firstly, Huawei partner can use Huawei's marketing platform to quickly build in the brand. You know, Huawei have do the business in 117 countries, and just in the Middle East, we have 10 experience centers in different countries. We have experience in Dubai, we have experience center in Saudi. So we have 100 events for every year just for Middle East. Like today's, you can say today have so many customers, so many partners join our event. And this one is fully open for our partners and for our customers. The second one, our partner can obtain the full ICT technology support, include but not limited cloud, AI, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and optics. Huawei also has a top technology experts around the world. They are very good, and after we work with different partners together, we will building a competitive solutions. The third one, partner can also use Huawei's sales network. You know, Huawei have many salesperson and channel person in different countries. And all this one is open for our partners. After rebuilding the joint solution together, all this one is open and can be used by you. The fourth important is Huawei have dedicated partner managers to ensure our partners' interests are not compressed, and make sure our cooperation is high quality and long term. We don't do the short joint solutions. We do long business together. And very important is all this ones is local. All this support you can get just in your country. For example, we have this executive benefit center in Dubai, in Saudi, in Pakistan, in Qatar. You can meet your customer in our experience center. Second one, we have dedicated enablers. We have AI enablers, IoT enablers, 5G enablers, or IoT enablers in every country. So we can do the joint integration work, or we can do integrated test work together just in your country, So, I certainly ask you can take care of our ecosystem, and I also hope you can join our ecosystems. And you only need to log into Huawei's official website and snakily become to partner. Then you can start a new journey. Finally, let me invite some of our partners to take this stage and launch Huawei Intelligent Campus product portfolio solutions together and help us light up the road for the future. Thank you all and welcome our partners.
Thank you, Mr. Wang, and appreciate staying with me on stage. May I also welcome the rest of our partners to please join me on stage as we together launch the Huawei Campus Product Portfolio Solution. And let's welcome from Ernst & Young, Mr. Mohammed Jaysir, from Holowitz Technologies, Mr. Salim Al-Sheikh, from Chinasoft International, Mr. Simon Chung, and from ZKT Company, Mr. Stephen Gao, and from Huawei Company, Mr. Gui Liu and Mr. Wiga Liu. Please stay with me on the stage. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our hands on the screen now for us to launch. Will we show it on the screen? There we go. And the spaces for your hands at the bottom spaces, at the bottom spaces. Yes. Let's move. Let's count down. Congratulations. Thank you so much for all our esteemed speakers, for the wonderful speeches, very interesting and insightful throughout the day. Thank you for all of you who have joined us. It has been a pleasure, and we hope to see you again in our next stop. Have a lovely rest of the day.